In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best camping coffee mug that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 5. BROVINO Stainless Steel Camping Coffee Mugs. If you're looking for a durable, safe, and leak-proof mug that you can use anywhere, BROVINO Stainless Steel Camping Coffee Mugs are a perfect choice. These mugs are made of high-quality stainless steel and are designed to keep your beverages hot for much longer than other products on the market. This means that you can enjoy your drink without having to worry about it getting cold too quickly. The lid also prevents spills so that you can grab and go. These shatterproof indestructible steel cups easily handle spills and can even be used as travel coffee glasses, camping coffee mugs, or outdoor glasses that you toss in your backpack before heading off to work. They also make a great Christmas gift by offering the right amount of caffeine, whether at home with family or outdoors enjoying an adventure. Number 4. Darware Enamel Camping Coffee Mugs. Darware Enamel Camping Coffee Mugs are the perfect companions on your next trip. Your search for functional camping coffee mugs ends with these unique porcelain pieces. These lightweight camp mugs will stay put wherever you need them, whether it's out fishing, during those chilly morning hikes before sunrise, or under the summer sun. Not to mention they can also be used as regular old coffee cups, whatever fits best at any given moment. Looks like the morning is going to be a cold one, but at least you can stay warm with these enamel camping coffee mugs. These large-capacity 16 fluid-ounce drinking vessels could hold enough hot tea, coffee, or milk to keep temps up and frost down this winter. Number 3. P&P Chef Enamel Camping Coffee Mug Set. P&P Chef enamel coffee mugs are made of high-quality steel with enamel coating, no worries any toxic leaching into your drink, stronger than ceramic and glass, healthy and durable for your daily use. This is a healthy choice for camping trip enthusiasts because not only can it withstand repeated use without chipping or breaking even when dropped on hard surfaces, but the stainless steel mug will not leach any toxins into your drink, unlike ceramic or glass products which could be endangering to health. These beautiful mugs are perfect for your next camping adventure. With a 12-ounce capacity, these best camping coffee mugs give you the chance to enjoy imaginative coffee on the go or fresh soup while outside on a starry night. Whatever drink you're craving, we've got just the mug that matches it. Number 2. VOLCAROCK 16-ounce Camping Coffee Mug. The VOLCAROCK 16-ounce camping coffee mug is the perfect coffee mug for every outdoorsman. This cup keeps your drink hot with its double-walled stainless steel lining and isn't made of harmful substances such as polymers, plasticizers, or lead. Furthermore, it has a Triton lid that won't transfer flavors to your mouth when drinking from this large insulated travel coffee cup. This camping coffee mug provides more than just insulation for your drink, but also an elegant design to brighten up those chilly mornings. With this durable outdoor cup, you no longer have to worry about the sweat coming off as some other cups do with their fabric lids. The no-sweat design ensures customers not only stay dry by holding their drinks comfortably, but they can use it through all sorts of temperatures without any problems arising. Number 1. EFAR Enamel Camping Mug. EFAR coffee mug is constructed of high-quality metal and coated in thick enamel, lead and cadmium-free, non-breakable and rust resistance for a long-lasting present, healthy and durable for daily use. Complete curled lip for a better touch when drinking, smooth finish inside and outside which does not coffee stain for easy cleanup. Each mug has the unique graphics printed on both sides that are vibrant, fade-resistant and permanent, mix-match of colors of this set with vintage style which will brighten your every new day. 16 ounces/455 milliliters capacity. 5 inches by 4 inches by 3.5 inches, big capacity holds a satisfying amount of your favorite beverages, suitable for hot and cold drinks, not microwave safe. Colorful camping mugs are great additions to indoor or outdoor activities, great for home, camping, hiking, backpacking or traveling, perfect for coffee, tea, milk, soup, hot cocoa, would make great gifts for your friends and family. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you buy one of the best camping coffee mug. If you have any questions related to these coffee mug, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.